Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, enable location services, and grant the app permission to access your location. Next, set the device to high accuracy or GPS-only mode if accuracy matters. This reduces drift. Once done, open your chosen map app and wait for the location blue dot to stabilize. This tells you the device has a lock. Make sure offline maps are downloaded before you leave, because cellular gaps will otherwise block. You now refine and use that location. Drop a pin or long press the map to capture exact coordinates. This gives you a stable reference point to navigate from. Then, if you need precision, type lat/long or a full address into search. The app recenters and offers directions. Once you have the spot, share it. Tap the share icon to send an app link, SMS, or copy coordinates to clipboard. These steps let others join you instantly without guesswork. You finish by launching turn-by-turn navigation and confirming the travel mode that fits your plan, walking, driving, or transit, because routing preferences change ETA and lanes. Keep an eye on live rerouting and traffic overlays. If you go off course, the app recalculates automatically, so stay patient and follow the new line. If the map loses your position, troubleshoot quickly. Toggle GPS or airplane mode, restart the app, or reboot the device. This often forces a fresh satellite fix and restores reliability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.